this is Black Rider with... Och sen du säger din namn.
Ja,
Okay.
Milan Z.
You,
Kan du säga Stevanovic?
Va?
Det låter porrigare.
Du säger din.
Milan...
What's up guys, Black Rider here with...
Milan Z.
What's up guys, Black Rider here with...
Milan.
He's a good friend of mine. What's up guys, Black Rider here with...
Milan.
He's a good friend of mine. His car is a beast. I've been trying to get him on my video for how long? Too long, exactly.
Yeah.
Now I have it. Now you've seen like the videos and the pictures that I'm going to put through. He's going to talk about his car, what he's done and what he's planned to do. We thank CTM Performance, right?
That's right.
Who performed his car to what it is today. He's very happy with it.
I'm overly happy.
Good, perfect.
Good job from them. Good
What
job.
have you got under the motor?
The motor, yeah. I've got installed downpipes.
Perfect.
KN filters, and that's actually it.
Perfect.
For this
For this
time.
For this time, we're gonna
Yeah.
come back to the car. What's the horsepower under?
Approximately 650 and 900 to the Newton.
Newton.
meters.
Amazing. It's a beast. You're gonna hear it, guys. I'm gonna try and get some videos when he's gonna rev. We're in the neighborhood. Hopefully, the neighbor's not gonna kick us out. This is it. Hopefully, he's gonna hit me up again and talk about his car more. This is what he's done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow my friend here to give him some love and support to his beautiful fucking AMG V8 C63 S.
Important. S.
S, exactly. Very fucking important. S. Oh well, I thank you for the time and the...
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
It was a pleasure to meet you, my man. And from the
Always.
Black Rider, I'm out. Peace.